Hi there, welcome back to my channel, The Coach. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to guide you how to download Primavera step by step. So the first step to download Primavera is to enter Oracle Software Delivery Cloud on Google and press enter. So you will land up to a Google page where you will get the first option, Oracle Software Delivery Cloud. So click on this link. So you land up to the official Oracle Software Delivery Cloud page, and here you will get two options, that is create account or sign in. So sign in is for if you already have an account, you can sign in, but if you are new, you have to create account. So let's see how to create account here. So once you click on create an account, you'll get a form like this where very general information is required to create an account, like your email ID, password, country, name, first name, last name, job title, city, and all. Fill all the required information and click on create account. That's it. You are done. Well, once your account is created, you will get a link on your Gmail ID. Verify your account using that link, and then again sign in into the page using your user ID and password which you had created. So guys, once you sign in, you will land up to this page, and here you can see a empty text box where you can type Primavera P6. So once you type it, you will get a drop down having different options. You have to select Primavera P6 Professional Project Management option. So again, you will get in the drop down, you will get a lot of options. Here you can see you have to select the latest version of Primavera P6 Professional Project Management, DLP Primavera P6 Project Management latest version. So the moment you select your latest version, on the right side top corner, you will see an option comes view item, where one item is waiting for you to download. So click on view item to download. You will get the item which you have selected already. Press the continue button. After clicking on continue, this page will show up. Make sure all the formats are same, which you can see on the screen, and then click on continue. Then you should accept Oracle standard terms and restriction and press continue to complete the process of downloading. Yes, now in the bottom, you will see the option of download. Once you accept the terms and conditions, click on download. After clicking on download, Primavera P6 is downloaded in your PC or laptop. So once you have downloaded the Primavera, you can find Oracle downloaded in your downloads. Do a right click and open it. So once you open it, a window will pop up where you have to click on browse. Alright, once you select on browse, a small window again will pop up where you'll get an option of make a new folder. So you can select make a new folder to confirm the location of your folder where Primavera will be downloaded. So create a folder named Primavera P6 and click on OK. Now click on next to start downloading the Primavera. So you can see on the screen that Primavera is downloading. Do not close until it finishes downloading all the files. So once the download is done, click on Open Destination. So in the destination folder, you will find 4 compressed zipped files. So select all the zipped files and click on Extract All on the top. So now when you click on Extract All, it will ask you a destination where the extract file should be placed. So you can click on Browse and select the same folder Primavera which we made earlier, and then click on Extract. So you will see all the 4 files has been extracted. Yes, now after extraction you will see all the 4 zipped files have been extracted, and now total there are 8 folders here in the downloads. Now, out of the 4 file folder you got after extraction of compressed zip file, open the first folder. Do a right click and open it. Here on the screen I have highlighted with red. So once you open the first folder, you will see here 2 folders. One is compressed zip file for P6 professional setup, and one is file folder for P6 professional setup. So you have to open the first file folder, not the compressed zip. Do a right click on it and open it. So now on the screen here you can see you will get P6 professional setup icon. Click on that and do a right click and run as administrator. So the next step is to choose typical and then choose OK. Finally, choose install. So installation of Primavera will start. Do not click cancel till it is finished. Choose run database configuration and then press OK. Now choose driver type as P6 Pro Standalone SQLite. Now choose add a new standalone database connection. Now choose a login name for yourself. You can change here. In this case, it is given as an admin. You can change it, and you can also change personal name as per your convenience and enter a new password. Confirm your password and save it. Just a gentle reminder, please remember your login name and password which you entered. That will help you to log in into Primavera later on. Check the database alias should be PMDB. Now click on next and save, and your installation is done. So after installation, you can go to search bar and you will see P6 Professional Primavera icon. If you can't see, you can type here Primavera, it will give you. So this is the icon, click and open it. So once you click, login name which you saved, you have to put that login name and password, whatever you have said. So you can put your password and you can connect. So see, the Primavera is opening and you can do OK to this, and this is your Primavera screen. You are done with installation successfully. Thank you. Yep, we are at the end of this video, and in this playlist I have a step-by-step tutorial on how to do a live project in Primavera. Don't forget to check out. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.